Hi guys, welcome to my cocktail channel. I'm Steve the bartender and today I'm showing you how to make a Devil's Soul. So I stumbled across this recipe on the Cold Glass website. I'll leave a link in the description below. Very informative, very descriptive website. A lot of cocktail recipes on there, some history involved as well. So make sure you check it out. Definitely a great resource to have on hand. This recipe was originally created by Ted Kilgore. Gaz Regan featured it in his 2012 101 best new cocktails. He described it as all these ingredients that definitely should not be in a glass together. And I 100% understand why, because it's got a rye whiskey, it's got mezcal, so it's got smokiness, it's got two different Amaros, and then it's got your floral and your sweet elderflower liqueur. So it's a crazy mix of different ingredients, but apparently it works really well. This is the first time I've tried this recipe, so we'll see what happens. So the original recipe does call for Rittenhouse Rye. The reason being is it's an overproof rye, and therefore the additional alcohol content is going to stand up to the strong smokiness of the mezcal. But I'm using a different mezcal as well. It does call for Sombra Mezcal, and I haven't tried that, but from what I've read, it is a lot smokier than the Vita, which is probably more of a fruitier, sweety, grassy, smoky mezcal. There's a lot of descriptors there. So I do think that this rye whiskey should stand up to the Vita quite well, but there's only one way to find out, and that's by making the drink. So start off with rye whiskey, Rittenhouse if you have it, otherwise whatever you have on hand. 45ml, 1.5 ounces, and follow that up with your mezcal, 15ml, half an ounce. So as I said, this is like, it's kind of like a sweet smoke, bit of grassiness to it. And the Averna, 15ml, half an ounce. The Averna is bittersweet, but it's got a very different nose actually. It kind of smells earthy or leathery. And thanks Craig and Laura for using the Buy the Back Bar feature. Aperol, 7.5ml, 1/4 ounce. It's a little bit too much there. That's better. So a bit of orange, grapefruit notes. It's got like a bit of a longer dry finish, the Aperol. And then Giffard's Elderflower liqueur, 7.5ml, 1/4 ounce. Very floral on the nose, quite zippy, and very vibrant though. Add ice to your glass, to your mixing glass I should say. Ice in the other glass, set aside, and ready to go for when I finish the mixing the drink. So give this about 30 or 45 seconds. You want to definitely add some dilution to this one. Make sure it's really nice and cold. Make sure that glass is nice and cold at the same time. So Devil's Soul, I think this is really suitably named with this lineup of ingredients. I think that's about long enough. That's definitely potent. And again, forgot my strainer. So strain it into your chilled glass. Borderline. And this one calls for a flamed zest. So be a little bit firm with your... The wire peeler actually isn't that great for peeling to flame because it doesn't really get a lot of pith behind there. And a little bit of pith when you're flaming the zest actually works quite well. See? Bit lackluster. There you go. So the difference being it's a really floppy piece of citrus peel. That's got some strength, some backbone to it. A little bit of pith back there. Discard. And they have the Devil's Soul. So straight up to the nose, you get bit of orange, obviously because you've put a lot of orange oils on the top. Some smokiness to it as well, but some sweet smoke. It's very surprising. I think I would actually like to agree with Gary Regan's recommendation of going higher proof, a little bit more spice. When drinking this straight, it does bring a little bit of a tingle to the lips and to the tongue, but it doesn't stand up in this particular drink. You've got so many other competing flavors. A little bit disappointing, but it's not as smoky as I was anticipating. It's definitely there, but I think the sugar component and the bitterness from the Averna kind of balances it out a little bit. Oh, I can't drink too much. I've got to take a photo. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers. Hi, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm showing you how to make a Devil's Soul.
We figured you might be able to tell us what's behind